guys, welcome back. Today I have something different that I've never done before. I found ugly dolls. And now I've never seen these. I've heard of these, but I've seen them in the stores. So I got 3. And they have apparently 2 surprises each and a fun fact. I don't exactly know what's in these. I mean, I've seen like stuffed animals in the store, but never these little things. And all they say is celebrate the journey from the artist's imagination to the kid's arms. And they are made by Hasbro, but I really don't know what they are. So let's go ahead and open them. I'm guessing there's some kind of mystery bag, but it is squishy. So it feels like there might be some sort of stuffy or stuffed animal in there. And then on the side here, it just says inspired by original designs. And I mean, they are in cardboard, which is pretty cool because it is recyclable. So let's go ahead and scooch and we'll get the first one open. If you know what these are or you have any of them, let me know in the comments. Let's go ahead and cut. Remember, be very careful with scissors. As you can see, even I'm struggling. Okay, now does it slide out? No, I guess you got to untape both sides. Okay. Cut and cut. All right, let's get this open. There you go. Okay, that does slide off. And this one says, did you know I have a little brother who's my spitting image? Okay, and then it opens. And it's a tiny little stuffy wearing an apron. Now, what is cool is it's embroidered on the back. That's attention to detail. And he has 2 little teeth. Oh, you know what he feels like? Like a washcloth. He feels like a washcloth. There's no squeaker. And he has a little, I guess that's the Ugly Dolls logo. Okay, he's cute. He's actually soft. Feels like you could just wash your hands with him. I kind of like that. Very calming. Okay, and the box says, my brother's name is Minimum Wage. He's a looker if you ask me. And then on the bottom, fun fact, Wage was a doodle in the love letter that sparked the Ugly Dolls brand. So I guess his name is Wage. Okay. And he's the original. Well, he's so soft. But what is the second surprise? It says 2 surprises and a fun fact. So I don't understand what the second surprise is. Ah, turn it over. Okay, surprise inside. I would have missed that. Oh, okay. Well, I do like the fact that all the packaging is recyclable. So yeah, you got to pull this and it opens this little envelope-ish thing. This is our second surprise. Okay, this is super cute. That's the stamp. This is an envelope. Oh, this is so cute. Now, this is a bit big for American girls, but you could use these for your larger dolls as little envelopes when they're getting stuff at Christmas or whatever you're playing. That I like. Or it could be oversized letter mail for your American Girl dolls. Keep that. And the second surprise is stickers of this guy named Wage. That's cute. So far, I really like him. And I'm going to keep these little envelopes. We could use these. We could definitely use these. All right, Wage, you go there. Ready for the next one? Do you know how many of these there actually are? I have no idea. So now we're going to do the same thing. I do like that the packaging is all recyclable. Don't like that the tape is strong, but I guess you'd have to have it strongly taped in the store so no one takes a little peek. Oh, how many are there? There's 5. It's right on the box. Okay. I'm obviously not paying too much attention today. Okay. This one says, did you know I snack all day, every day, and I see a little bit of blue. So we don't have a duplicate. Let's open it up. And now I know his name is Babo, and it says cookies are the cure for everything. Oh, he feels like a washcloth too, a really soft washcloth for the shower. I really like these. I wish you could feel them. Super soft. Super soft. And his fun fact is, Babo was the second ugly doll ever created. Oh, isn't that great? Here's the second one and here's the first one, and that's the order that we opened them. That's amazing. Now I know you're going to, inside the box, push the little tab out. That way you can pull it open. And here is his envelope, or her envelope, I don't know. And again, stickers that match. Look at how cute. Milk and cookies and an actual letter. Is there anything else in there? No, that's just the folds. Okay, make sure you keep these. We could come up with something with these. If you have these, keep these. Okay, last one. Maybe we'll get the third one in the series. Who knows? And from experience, cut. Cut. Doesn't say anything interesting on that side. I guess it helps if you squeeze the box a bit. You can really get the scissors in there. And you know what? Always make sure you have help if you're not allowed to use scissors. And this one says, I'm full of heart, literally. Ooh, it's pink. It's pink. And her name is Moxie. I pull hearts out of my pocket when I need friends to boost. When friends need a boost of inspiration. Oh, she's like a little, I don't know, blob creature? Maybe they're all blob creatures. I have no idea. But only the first one, Wade here, had any clothes, but they are all still so soft and they have really nice embroidery. Ooh, I like her. I like her. She feels so soft. Almost like a squishy. Okay. Oh, sorry there, Moxie. And it says, Moxie used to be called Gorgeous. Her name changed to match her passion and gusto. Ooh. Pop the box. I'm really good at these now if I get more of them. Pop that open. Hey, there's her letter. Oh, I love it. They have the matching little pictures on them. And oh, look at her stickers. A laptop, a flower. Oh, look at the mess from the boxes. I really, really like these. I don't know what you would exactly do with the little squeezable guy or toy once you've squeezed them and cuddled them. I mean, they are soft and nice. I like the envelopes. Lots of different craft ideas with those. If you guys have these, you let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Have you seen these little surprise boxes? What can you tell me about these ugly dolls? I don't find them very ugly. I think they're actually quite cute. I love Mr. Wade, or Wade here, his apron and all of the really cool embroidery. She's got her teeth. This guy's got eyes and a line and teeth. They're just so, so soft. All right, guys, that's it for now. I will see you next time. Bye.